Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. All right, this is your final warning. Go ahead and close those windows now if you don't want to be surprised. Otherwise, hang with me for a few more seconds. Okay, so today's item is in our light blue polka dot bag, and the clue on it says time to wrist and recover. Okay, so I am guessing this has to do with your wrist. I mean, just given the fact that it says wrist and not rest, makes me think this is something to do with our wrists. So maybe it's a bracelet, maybe it's a bangle, maybe it's something, in years past, we've had that snap bracelet that has the pin cushion in it. Perhaps it's something like that. However, this feels flat. This feels very, very flexible. I can bend it. It has a large amount of bendability into it, but it does have a piece of metal right here. So why don't we go ahead and open it up and see what's inside of it? All right. And what we have is we have this cute little wristlet. All right. So this is a wristlet that we picked out, and it's from a company called West Moreland Place. And so we love supporting small manufacturers, small companies here at Cotton Cuts. And when we saw this quilty themed, it's got all these fantastic little stars on it. When we saw this quilty themed wristlet, we thought, how stinking cute is that? Now, I know wristlets aren't for everybody. If you are a wristlet person, then this is your jam. You can put it on here and keep your keys at hand. You can keep your wallet at hand. I would attach this also to my quilting bag and to my sewing bag and make sure that it comes with me on all my retreats just to dress things up a little bit. And one of the things that we added extra special to this is we found these. We contacted the company, and she wanted to put a tassel on it. And so the tassels on this are like so stinking cute. I'm doing a project now with tassels, and these guys are so baby, and they're so dainty and so adorable. And that's really what we liked. We liked that it was cute, it was adorable, it was functional, it wasn't something that was just going to collect dust, and we could support another small fellow business. And so you guys, this is a fantastic gift. We thought it would be a fun addition to this box. And as always, we appreciate your support in today's item. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.